Hi, my name is Dr. Nancy Aguilar-Roca, and I'm going to tell you about the Physiology and Exercise Sciences major. The topics we focus on are at the interface of multiple physiological systems. We focus some on the mechanics of movement, which is how the biological and physical world interact. We also spend time on the cardiopulmonary physiology of exercise, the delivery of oxygen to tissues, as well as topics such as nutrition and the intake of resources that become fuel from movement. We also work at the interface of muscles and the nervous system, looking at how commands from the central nervous system generate motion. A unique aspect of this major is that we take the molecular biology and biochemistry and cell biology that you learned in lower division classes and put it into the context of the whole organism. I would argue that if you're going to be a clinician, the level that you're going to interact with is the whole organism. You're not going to have a cell show up at your clinic, you're going to have a whole person with a lot of interesting physiology. When I say exercise sciences, most people first think about humans, but we gain so much by also studying animal models. Within the Department of Ecology and Evolutionary Biology, we have a group of core physiology faculty who also interact with the majors. Their research topics range from ecology to physiology to molecular biology and even biomechanics and microbiomes. Because our students are exposed to such a wide variety of disciplines, our graduates have been able to go into diverse careers. Roughly 35% of our students have gone into medicine, especially sports medicine and orthopedics, and about 35% have gone on to doctorates in physical therapy. Our students are also well positioned for jobs in industry, especially biomedical devices and biotech. We are affiliated with the Center for Integrative Movement Sciences, led by Dr. Monica Daly, which brings together experts from multiple disciplines across campus, including the medical school, the School of Engineering, and the School of the Arts. We've even had a couple of students double major in dance and exercise sciences. As a result of this affiliation, our majors have full access to the new Human Performance Lab in BioSci 3. They have priority for the UCI Athletics Sports Medicine Internship, and they also have priority for the new Marlene Godoy Fellowship in Movement Sciences. This last one provides a stipend for summer research. The center has an annual Integrated Movement Sciences Summer Research Institute, which includes collaborations from across the United States. Our students may have opportunities to travel to other labs, and students from other labs will be coming here. This will be an invaluable network for career building. Here is a typical course progression. The courses highlighted for junior year have spots reserved in them specifically for exercise sciences majors. We keep this major small, up to 24 students per cohort, so that we can continue to reserve seats in these high-demand courses for our majors. In senior year, the highlight is this one-year-long Capstone course, which I'll talk about more in a moment. For upper division electives, we have a subset of diverse topics that includes biochemistry, endocrinology, nutrition, extreme physiology, anatomy, locomotion, and finally exercise as medicine. We've developed a year-long capstone experience for our majors, and this is also part of why we limit our majors to a small cohort. It allows students to have a close relationship with faculty. In the fall, we teach students about techniques used in exercise sciences and rehabilitation, and students develop their research projects. In winter, we collect data in the Human Performance Lab, and in spring, we write it up and give presentations. Our students get more personalized and direct interaction with faculty than the majority of students in other bio majors. We're dedicated to making that experience meaningful and hopefully lead to a publication. In this video from the Human Performance Lab, a subject is hopping up and down while students are measuring muscle activity in the calf muscles. There are 8 cameras filming the subject, which are then used to generate a model that you can see in real time. Students can also measure forces that the subject is exerting on the ground, and taken all together, they can have a complete picture of what happens during specific movements. I want to highlight one of our alumni. Theodora Poe graduated from the major and became a graduate student in our department. She will be Dr. Poe in another week or so. Building on her exercise sciences background, she worked with sea stars, which have thousands of tiny feet that have to be coordinated for movement. She did experiments with sea stars, developed mathematical models, and then applied that to building robots. And here is a prototype of one of her robots that was inspired by sea star movement. Since our major is small, our students are able to build a community for both study groups and just having fun. And we hope that you will consider joining us. If you have questions, you may contact me, Dr. Nancy Aguilar-Roca, or you may contact Dr. Manny Azizi.